just spray and lock it.
We're going to address the 3 parts of your locks. Yes, there are 3 parts to each individual lock. First, we always want to use spray and lock products because it allows us to spray an entire section of hair before we start twisting, and it holds better than gel and wax, and the drying time is very short. Now, the first thing you want to do is start at the base. You see that? You have the base, that's one part of your lock, and then you'll move to the middle after twisting that. That is the core. And then we'll come to the end or the tip of your locks and we'll twist that as well. This method actually trains the lock to grow in a consistent fashion. And another great trick and a great tip is to slide the comb from the base up towards the core of that lock. That slides all the new growth up towards the middle of the lock, which accelerates the locking process. And of course, we'll stick with the same technique. We'll move to the core and twist that part, and then we'll move to the tip and twist that as well, and then we'll clamp it down. Lee, founder of Spray and Lock Products.
Spray and lock.